Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to compare Emby and Kodi. Emby is a media server platform designed to organize and stream your personal movies, TV shows, music, and photos to multiple devices. It works by scanning your media libraries, gathering metadata like cover art and descriptions, and then serving that content to apps on phones, tablets, smart TVs, streaming devices, and web browsers. Emby supports user profiles, parental controls, and individual watch histories, so everyone in your household can have their own personalized experience. Emby can transcode media on the fly, meaning it adjusts the file format and quality to match the device you're streaming to, which helps reduce buffering. The core server and basic streaming features are free, but some advanced features, such as offline downloads, cloud sync, and mobile app streaming require paid Emby Premier subscription. On the other hand, Kodi is a completely free, open-source media player and entertainment hub that runs on many platforms including Windows, Mac OS, Android, and Linux. Unlike Emby, Kodi is not primarily a media server but a power local media player. It plays content stored on the device itself or on a local network share. Kodi's strength lies in its high level of customization and the numerous variety of community-created add-ons, skins, and plugins that expand its capabilities far beyond basic playback. With add-ons, Kodi can play virtually any type of media, support advanced visualizations, integrate external services, and more. Because Kodi is designed as a player, it does not include built-in server features or remote streaming to other devices without third-party tools, and it generally has a steeper learning curve compared with more straightforward media server solutions. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Emby offers an easy server setup and smooth streaming to multiple devices with user profiles, giving each household member a personalized media experience. On the downside, some advanced features in Emby require a paid Premier subscription, so may need to pay for the full experience. On the positive side, Kodi is completely free and acts as highly customizable local media player with tons of add-ons that extend what the software can do. On the downside, Kodi does not include a built-in server or remote streaming functionality, and it has a steeper learning curve that may be challenging for less technical users. Overall, Emby is better for streaming and managing media across multiple devices, while Kodi is better for free, local playback with deep customization. That's it, thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.